Welcome, great people. This is semolina made into swallow okele solid food using a microwave. This is when the gas finished, or just for one person, you don't want to use a pot. Wash the pot. As you know, semolina is not native to Africa, particularly Nigeria. And one thing about us, we love turning everything into swallow. We turn oats into swallow. We turn whole wheat grain into swallow. Let's go on with the making. Make semo in the microwave. That will be this cooked and done. You start by boiling water in a pot or in a kettle, and also you will use a microwave safe bowl. So here is it. I'm going to put some into the bowl. To this, I'm going to add water at room temperature, and I'll make it into a paste, just like you're making your pap. And who says this can be made into pap? To add milk and sugar, and you're good to go. Have it with akara. So this is the consistency of the paste. I'm going to use a whisk. You can use a wooden spoon. And to this, time to pour in the hot boiling water. All done. It's already thick. I'm going to add more semo to it, and you should be very careful at this stage not to make it too thick. Adding more. All done. You can make yours softer than this. In fact, make it softer than this is advised. And then to it, I'm going to pour hot water, more hot water, as you would do if you were cooking it on a conventional cooker stove, and then loosen the edges, the center, so that the water goes in and it cooks everything. In the microwave, you might have to check once or so. Everything together properly. If it's too soft for you, add more semo, just put it back. It will get quickly done, but this is okay because by the time it cools down, it will be perfect consistency. So mix it together. Still hot. See how it looks now. The process might be a bit long, but it was worth it. You have very cooked semo, and can have it with whatever kind of soup you want to have it with. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care of yourselves. Bye.